Right back, PrimeTime. Right there, PrimeTime. Mod Squad looking around Georgia right now. Hello, PrimeTime. Mod Squad, Honolulu. Hello, PrimeTime. Mod Squad in Honolulu. Check in. Aloha. Right back, PrimeTime. PrimeTime, I got it right there with you, man. Hello, PrimeTime in Georgia, Mod Squad, Honolulu. PrimeTime in Georgia, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Say we got it right there with you. PrimeTime in Georgia, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. Check in. Come on down. I'm going to wave at you to the SwitchBlade. Hello, right back, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu. Say good evening your way also. Take your SwitchBlade, take your PrimeTime in Georgia. Be Mod Squad Mobile check-in. Mod Squad Mobile check-in, downtown Honolulu. Right back, SwitchBlade, man. You in PrimeTime, be neck and neck in Honolulu, man. Take your SwitchBlade once again. Take your PrimeTime in Georgia. Mod Squad Mobile, right back, downtown Honolulu. Bye, PrimeTime. Bye, PrimeTime. Bye, SwitchBlade. SwitchBlade, you say you got a 300-mile jump on them. You got a 300-mile jump on PrimeTime. Hello, SwitchBlade. Hello, PrimeTime. Mod Squad, Mobile, right back around Honolulu. Contact, you up in front, man. You way up in front there, SwitchBlade. All right, SwitchBlade, you way up in front. That's in my radio too there. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. I'm watching the sun go down in the mini grass. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile, Hawaiian Islands. Right back. Yeah, man, the sun is going down. It should be down at 7 o'clock. It should be down around 7 o'clock, maybe a little later, man. Hello, once again, there's SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile in the daylight hour, Honolulu, Hawaii. SwitchBlade, take your PrimeTime from Mod Squad, Mobile, Honolulu. 7 o'clock, almost 8 o'clock over there. Hey, Mod Squad, I think you're looking at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock over there. Take your phone with it, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mid-Grand, SwitchBlade, Wolflake, Aloha. Yeah, getting close to 7 p.m. Getting close to 7 p.m. in Honolulu, Hawaii. Hey, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Honolulu, looking around 7 p.m. in about 15 minutes. There, come on. Right back. That's what's going on. Right there. SwitchBlade. Getting close to 7 p.m. It's getting close to 7 p.m. You're getting close to the midnight hour. Hey, Blade, Mod Squad, Mobile. SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, Mobile. Still listening downtown Honolulu. You got it right. Hey, Mod Squad, you got it right. right back. You got them all down. It's getting quiet now. It's getting quiet now. I don't know if PrimeTime keyed up, man. It's getting quiet, man. Look like you're walking all by yourself now, SwitchBlade. You're walking all alone. Hello, SwitchBlade, ModSquad, Mobile, Honolulu. Right back in your radio. Right back. Yeah. I think it's about there now. It's past the midnight hour around the Bahamas. You guys picking up anything out there? Hey, are you picking up anything behind you, or is it all to the west? Are you just picking up the west right now? I hear the yellow brick road in there too, man. I hear the yellow brick road too. Hey, ModSquad Honolulu. ModSquad Honolulu said, take care, Bricklayer. Bricklayer, ModSquad in Honolulu. Check in. The Mobile standing by. Right back. You got King Arthur. King Arthur, tell him I said hello too. Tell King Arthur I said hello out there in Texas. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. ModSquad Mobile, check back around Honolulu. ModSquad Mobile, read the mail. Right back. I think he's talking to 42 in Georgia, man. I think he might be talking to 42 in Georgia, because I hear 42 in Georgia looking out west. They get 42 in Georgia. They get SwitchBlade, ModSquad Honolulu. ModSquad Honolulu coming out of the mini grass. ModSquad coming out of the mini grass. Right back. Aloha. You by yourself right there. I don't know if he's calling the 42 or not. I know he don't call him by the name. All I heard him say, that crazy got me and said somebody gonna have a damn hot monster. I want to tell me a little bit of me. You can't tell me where the ModSquad is. Oh, you later. So you don't know how to do it, but he can't hear me. This is ModSquad. SwitchBlade got down. Right back. Okay, SwitchBlade. All right, SwitchBlade, we'll see what's going on too, man. Like I said, man, I hear 42 around Georgia. It kind of moved to 42. I don't hear PrimeTime right now. ModSquad Mobile, I'm checking right back to the east side. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu, checking in. Aloha. Right back. Hey, SwitchBlade, you got a hammer down in Honolulu, Hawaii, man. SwitchBlade, you got that hammer down in Honolulu, Hawaii, man. I just want to let you know. Take your SwitchBlade from ModSquad Mobile. ModSquad Mobile, Honolulu. I'll see you now. Right back. We're on a cruise mode, man, so he can play with my cruise mode. He can play with my cruise mode in Honolulu. Take your SwitchBlade, ModSquad Mobile, put it back downtown Honolulu.